Hey, did you know we're running a human performance camp this summer? We're gonna do a 2-day camp that tests each athlete that comes to camp in areas like mobility and stability, power, explosion, body composition, and this is gonna give us all the information we need to help you become the athlete that you wanna be. Each individual athlete's gonna go home with their own packet of information that then will guide them through corrective exercise, that will guide them through performance activities that then will enhance your performance. And then this is exactly what we want to do. We want to tune up the areas that need to be cleaned up, and then we want to strengthen the areas that are already strong. Okay, with this performance test, we're going to be doing an inline lunge. And so we're going to have Autumn set up Lydia on this platform. And what we're going to do is we're going to get her out here in an inline position, which actually will very much stress her core. We're going to get her arms up like she would be playing a sport. She's going to go ahead and do a lunge. We're looking to see if she has a forward lean. We're looking to see if she has any balance issues. And then immediately what we will do is provide some corrective exercises then that will help control the deficiency that we've discovered through this test. We're doing a lower body motor control test. So Haley here is going to be throwing this foot forward and seeing if we can get this as far forward as she can. We're gonna have her come back and do the other leg. We're looking for symmetry. Anytime you're playing a sport, you have to be able to be stable on one leg while the other leg is moving. So this test specifically highlights that. I'm thinking of sports like basketball, volleyball, soccer, baseball, any sport where you're trying to be agile but stable on one leg. By far, the squat is one of the most foundational exercises that we engage in, and when we look at a squat for performance, it tells us a lot of what we need to know about the athlete. Trinity is going to demonstrate a squat, and we might see some issues here. Okay, we saw her do a squat. I want to have you go ahead and do that again, and I want to highlight a couple things. So we're going to watch and see how she has a forward lean in that squat. Although she does go down, she doesn't look as balanced as she could. So I'm going to have her put her heels on the board. And I think this is going to immediately correct that squat. Yes, it does, allowing her to stay more upright and allowing her to look more balanced in the process. I'm Christy Walters. I'm the director for the Center for Movement and Wellbeing, and we can't wait to see you at camp this summer.